Welcome to our guide on how to beat Roblox lag. Lag can really disrupt your gaming experience, making it less fun and more frustrating. But did you know that using a VPN can significantly reduce lag? Let's explore how it works. When choosing a VPN for Roblox in 2025, consider factors like speed, reliability, and cost to get the best performance. First up, we have VPN number 1, known for its lightning-fast speeds and robust security features. Pricing starts as low as $8 per month. Next is VPN number 2, which offers exceptional customer support and a free trial. It's just $10 a month after that. VPN number 3 provides unlimited bandwidth for $7.99 per month, perfect for heavy gamers who need consistency. With VPN number 4, you get fast speeds and reliable connections for just $6.99 monthly, making it affordable for all players. Finally, VPN number 5 comes with a unique discount for students, priced at $5.99 per month, a great option for young gamers. Here's a quick comparison of all 5 VPNs. Take a look at their strengths to help you decide which suits your needs best. Now that you know the top VPNs to reduce lag while gaming on Roblox, remember to check your internet connection and settings for the best results.